Cooling water over a 10-minute period by Sam. The goal. How cold will the water get over a 10-minute period? My hypothesis. I think the water will get colder when the ice is disintegrating. Materials. Number 1, water. 2, ice cubes. 3, thermometer. 4, data sheet. 5, pencil. 6, cup. 7, notebook.
First, you have to record the temperature without the ice. Then, when you record that, you put the ice, 2 ice cubes in, and you record that. It's still going down. Then you write on your data sheet what you recorded.
Finding of data. The first minute was without the ice. Second minute down was with the ice. This was the temperature of my water. Conclusion. In this lab, I discovered that my hypothesis was sort of right. The water got a little colder every couple minutes when the ice was disintegrating. Opinion. This experiment was really fun. I loved it.